Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the x1500 electric burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace a damaged belt. First step is removing the pad driver and the pad. The next step is loosening these four 17mm bolts right here. Now remember that they are nutted on the back side. Take a 17mm socket, 17mm wrench, and loosen those up. Now, with the four bolts loosened, what we want to do is take a 17mm wrench and tighten down this nut to relieve some of the tension off the belt. Now what we can do, same thing, take a 17mm wrench, come down to the bolt, and tighten the bolt up. So now that we have our 17mm bolt where we want it, what we can do is drop that down and relieve the tension on the belt and remove the belt. Just like that. Now take your new belt, just reverse your steps, put it on the bottom pulley, feed it onto the top pulley, and now what we want to do is get some tension and tighten this nut back down and keep tightening down the bolt. Just like that, make sure it is nice and tight. Now take that nut and do the same thing and make sure it is tight. Boom, just like that. The next step is going to be tightening down these 11/16 or 17mm bolts. So take your socket, get it in there. Now remember that these bolts are nutted on the back side. You gotta hold that back side and tighten all four of them down. Just like that. So the last step is go ahead and get your pad driver, put it back on the shaft, and tighten down that 13mm bolt, replace your pad and your pad holder, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Remember to stay safe, and thanks for watching.